Good morning, students. Today we will try to understand the basic differences between the viruses and viroids. As do we have discussed, viruses, they are non-cellular and they have been not categorized into any of the groups. We know they are made up of genetic material. The genetic material may be either DNA or RNA. So, it may have either DNA or RNA. Both types of genetic materials, it could not be present within a single virus. So, let us consider this a genetic material. We have drawn just a symbol to express that, having a single stranded RNA. As in the case of viruses, the genetic material which do we have considered, this RNA strand is enclosed by protein sheet, and this protein sheet is known as capsid, and the individual units, they are called as capsomeres. Whereas in the case of viroids, the genetic material, suppose this is RNA strand, this is not surrounded by any of the protein coat, means there is absence of protein coat in the case of viroids. So, due to the absence of protein coat, the genetic material is naked. So, we may also consider as naked virus, and we may also call it as a free strand of RNA which is able to infect the life forms. And as the viruses, they do have protein coat around them, the genetic material, so their size is somehow bigger than as compared to viroids, because we may consider as the viroids lack the protein coat, so their size are so much smaller than to viruses. We have discussed, we have compared that bacteria is much more bigger in size as compared to viruses. We have discussed in the video part that viruses, they may get filtered out through the bacteria proof filters. So obviously we may imagine that from the bacteria, the viruses, the size of the viruses are small, and from the size of the viruses, the size of the viroids are more small. So we may consider the viroids as much smaller particles having the genetic material without any surrounded protein coat or protein sheet. And the scientist who has discovered, first of all, in the year 1971 was Theo Dinier. And the RNA present, it is of low molecular weight as compared to the RNA present within the viruses, and the disease that was caused by these viroids. For example, we may consider one example, which is potato spindle tuber disease caused by the viroids. So just we may come to the conclusion that viroids, they are much more smaller than to viruses, and viruses, they are much more smaller than to the bacterial cell. So viruses, they are having the protein coat surrounding the nucleic acid, whereas in the case of viroids, the nucleic acid is not enclosed within any protein coat. So thank you. Have a nice day.